sila. They're grazing the grass. The green grass of home. Uy, rabbit naman. Tumatakbo yung rabbit, nakikipagsabayan. Dito kami sa Dawson Farm Park. Enjoying the evening, guys. It is 8:24
Isa doon.
in the evening, but it is not. Hindi pa po. Hindi pa po. Yan, maraming kapaligiran dito sa park. Forget to like, subscribe. Yan po. Paglakad pag may time. Yan, be kind to animals.
Diyan sa harap ko.